Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about UPPSC Agriculture Service Exam recruitment for 2021. Here are the basic details that you have to know. The organization name is Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission, which is also called as UPPSC. The post names: Group A, District Horticulture Officer; Group 2, Grade 1, Principal, Government Food Science Training Center, Food Processing Officer, Group 2, and for Group B, Senior Technical Assistant, Group A, Agronomy Branch, Botany Branch, Plant Protection, Chemistry Branch, Development Branch. And the total number of vacancies are 564 posts open. The starting date has already been started, and the closing dates, please note, 25th of January 2021 is for examination fee online in the bank, and on 29th of January 2021 it is for the online submission of the application form. Then the application mode is through online. The job location will be in Uttar Pradesh, and here is the official website. You can check out the official website as mentioned here on the screen if you need further information. Moving on, the education requirement is as follows. For the post of District Horticulture Officer, Group 2, Grade 1, BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture degree, and for Principal Government Food Science Training Center, Food Processing Officer, Group 2, BSc with Chemistry as their subject from a food science recognized university or institute, or BSc Training Center with Agriculture from a recognized university or food processing institute, which will be followed by 2 years of postgraduate officer, Group 2 associate course in fruit and vegetable technology, and that should be from Government Food Processing and Technology Institute, Lucknow, or any recognized institute will be considered, or MSc Food Technology, MSc Food Preservation, MSc Food Science from a recognized university or institute. Then for the post of Senior Technical Assistant, Group A, Agronomy Branch, postgraduate degree in agronomy from recognized university or institute, and must be a graduate in agriculture. Then for Senior Technical Assistant, Group A, Botany Branch, postgraduate degree in agrobotany or plant reproduction with science of the origin, or postgraduate degree in botany with especially in genetics or plant reproduction, must be a graduate in agriculture. For Senior Technical Assistant, Group A, Plant Protection, the candidate should be a postgraduate degree or plant pathology from a recognized university or institute, or MSc Plant Science with specialization in entomology or plant pathology, and must be a graduate in the field of agriculture. Then moving on, for Senior Technical Assistant, Group A, Chemistry Branch, a postgraduate degree is necessary in the field of agriculture chemistry, soil science, soil conservation from a recognized university or institute, and must be graduate in agriculture. For Senior Technical Assistant, Group A, Development Branch, the candidate should be having a postgraduate degree in the field relevant to agriculture from a recognized university or the institution, must be a graduate in agriculture as well. Then the application fee is as follows. For the category of unreserved economically weaker sections of the society and others, the examination fees is ₹100 with an online processing fees of ₹25. For scheduled caste and scheduled tribe and ex-servicemen, the examination fees is ₹40 with another online processing fees of ₹25. And for the people of handicapped, for these candidates, examination fee is nil plus but the online processing fees will be ₹25. Then the age limit. The aspirants should be in between 21 to 40 years to apply for UPPSC Agriculture Service Exam recruitment for 2021. Moving on, the salary details are as follows. The salary will be given according to the pay level matrix. So the post having a pay scale of ₹9,300 to ₹34,800, and this is a grade pay of ₹4,600, which falls under the revised pay scale of level 7 pay matrix, and which comes under rupees 44,900 to 1,42,400. And then rupees 15,600 to 39,100, the grade pay will be in accordance with rupees 5,400, and this falls under the pay level matrix level 10, and these are included as said in the examination. Then this is the selection process. For Group A, District Horticulture Officer, Group 2, Grade 1, Principal Government Food Science Training Center, or Food Processing Officer Group 2, the selection process is a written examination, and which will be followed by an interview as well. But for Group B, Senior Technical Assistant, for Group A, Agronomy Branch and Botany Branch, Plant Protection, Chemistry Branch, Development Branch, the selection process is only going to be through a written examination. And this is the link of how to apply. So the same link will be headed down even in the description box as well. So you can check out the description box and get the direct access of the link of how to apply. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.